Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 61. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we walk down Jefferson Street, beginning near Mason Street and ending near Jones Street, where the historic streetcar and cable car lines make their turnaround. Jefferson Street is the main artery of Fisherman's Wharf, and as we step onto it near Mason Street, the energy of the district is immediately clear. This stretch has long been the heart of San Francisco's tourist waterfront. In the early 20th century, it was lined with fishing businesses and canneries that processed the daily catches brought in by Italian and Portuguese fishermen. Over time, as the city's fishing industry declined, the streets were remade into destinations for visitors. Walking west, you pass rows of souvenir shops, seafood stalls, and neon signs that have become part of the wharf's identity. Many of the stands here sell clam chowder in sourdough bread bowls, a tradition that combines San Francisco's famous sourdough with its maritime heritage. The smell of fresh crab being steamed in outdoor pots also fills the air, a continuation of a custom that dates back to the Dungeness crab fisheries of the late 1800s. Along Jefferson Street, entertainment is as much a draw as food. Street performers, from musicians to living statues, claim spots on the sidewalks, adding to the lively carnival-like atmosphere. Behind the storefronts are large attractions, wax museums, arcades, and small theaters, all part of the wharf's evolution from working harbour to entertainment district. As you approach Jones Street, the focus shifts towards transit. Here stands the turnaround for both the historic F-Market streetcars and the Powell-Hyde cable cars. The F-Line streetcars, with their international collection of vintage trolleys, loop around here before heading back along the Embarcadero towards Market Street. The Powell-Hyde cable cars, meanwhile, descend from Russian Hill and also end their run at this very spot. Watching the crews manually push the cable cars on the wooden turntables is like stepping back in time to the late 19th century, when San Francisco's cable car system first defined urban transport on its steep hills. This intersection of Jefferson and Jones is therefore more than just a transportation hub. It represents continuity, the city's oldest transit technology, cable cars, operating alongside mid-20th century streetcars, both serving a district that has itself been transformed from working-class fishing wharfs to tourist destination. That concludes today's walk, a journey down Jefferson Street from Mason to Jones, where the energy of Fisherman's Wharf meets the enduring history of San Francisco's cable cars and streetcars.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.